This is a sewer backup. What we did first, we emptied all the contents, unwanted contents, out the basement. That's what we did. Now, they don't want us to clean from the floor, the ceiling, everything in between. They mainly want us just to do the floor. But before we could do the floor, we had to empty out all the contents that they don't want. And you'll see that in just a minute too. So what we're doing here is emptying out everything in here. We're gonna clean the floor. Mainly just the floor is all they want done. We're gonna extract all this water here and back up all this here. The plumber was out here yesterday. Now we come behind him and rectify the situation from the sewer backup, and I'll let you see everything here. So all of this, just the floor now. I mean, more needs to be done, but that's what they retained us to do, just the floor. So you'll see the floor. We're gonna sanitize the floor to kill all the germs in here on the floor. Here's the whole entire floor. All in there. Excuse me?
Where do you want me to put this?
Oh, no, washer is fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Patty, you have a minute once, please? Thank you. I'm gonna pause this and I'll get back with you in a minute. Thank you.